students, today we will be starting our unit 2. Our unit 1 is already completed. So today we will start unit 2. In unit 2, poem 1, Birds Talk, in our English literature. So we will do our first poem of unit 2. What is the name of the poem? It's Bird Talk. What do you think? What is going to be there in this poem? See, in the name of the poem, from the name of the poem, you can think what is going to be there in the poem. क्या हो सकता है poem के अंदर? From the name you can think. As the name of the poem suggests, bird talk. It means this poem is about birds which are talking. So what they are talking, which birds are talking, all these things we will see in the poem. First of all, students, I am giving you one homework. After watching this video, you go out of your room, you go to your balcony, you go to your roof and watch all the birds in your surrounding. Write the names of all these birds in a paper and you can send me. Okay, so first of all, name of few birds: sparrow, parrot, peacock. Peacock is our national bird, if you don't know. Okay, so peacock, hen, pigeon, sparrow, parrot, eagle, owl, all these are birds. Even there are so many different birds which you can see in your surroundings. Okay, so let's start with the poem. Let's read first of all our first paragraph. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. This is our first paragraph. Here I have written second paragraph. Let's read this one also. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now in this first paragraph, two birds are talking to each other. Which two birds are talking to each other, students? See, here the names are mentioned: Robin and Jay. Robin and Jay are talking to each other. What they are talking to each other? About what? Tell me. They are telling to each other to think. Think मतलब सोचो. वो एक दूसरे को कह रहे हैं सोचने के लिए. Robin is telling to Jay and Jay is telling to Robin to think. What to think? Let's read. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. They are sitting in the garden. In one garden they are sitting and they are talking to each other. They are telling each other to think. What to think? Let's see. Think about people. किसके बारे में सोचने के लिए कह रहे हैं? About what they are telling to think? Think about people. People means we human. The way they grow. Way means तरीका. किस तरीके से people grow होते हैं? They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now Robin and Jay, they both are telling to each other, you know how people grow. They don't have feathers like us. We have feathers. Human don't. People don't have feathers. You know, students, how bird grows? Firstly, one mama bird lay egg. After few days, that egg hatch and a small baby bird come out of that egg. We human don't lay eggs. We directly give birth to a baby. हम birds के जैसे egg lay नहीं करते. We give directly birth to a baby. Here, mama bird lay eggs to give birth to a baby. Okay? So, first of all, mama bird lay egg. After few days, that egg hatch and a baby bird come out of that egg. In the very beginning, these small babies, baby birds, don't have wings, feathers, even they are colorless. वो बिना कलर के होते हैं. Slowly, their wings start growing, their feathers starts coming, and their feathers, as their feathers are colorful, they become colorful slowly. Firstly, they are colorless. After they grow little big, they become colorful. Now, hopefully, you got how babies grow. In the very beginning, even they don't find their food. When they are baby, their mama feed them. As when we are baby, our mama feed us. Same way to birds also. In the very beginning, when they are baby, their mama used to feed them. So here in this poem, in the second paragraph, Robin and Jay are telling, think how the way people grow. किस तरीके से human grow होते हैं. उनके पास feathers नहीं होते जैसे हमारे पास होते. You know, your Robin is telling to Jay, you know, people don't have feather like us. Okay, so hopefully you understood both these paragraphs. Third paragraph, let's read. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Now here in this paragraph, in third paragraph, both these birds are telling like birds eat beetles. Beetles are kind of insect. Birds eat insects, worms, but we people can't eat this. Here birds, then next they are telling we have wings to fly, but human don't have wings like us. They can only walk with the help of their legs, but we can even fly. They don't like sitting on wires and things. See, birds can sit anywhere, on wires, on the top of cars, on roof, on balconies, on poles. They can sit anywhere. But we human can't sit anywhere. Do we sit anywhere, students? Like on wires we can sit, on the top of car we can sit. No, we cannot sit. So here these birds are telling the same things. Our last paragraph. Think, said the robin. Now here robin is telling to think to Jay. Think, said the Jay. Here in second line, Jay is again telling to robin to think. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now without wings, without feathers, they can't even sit on wires, they can't eat beetles. So isn't it funny? This way of people isn't funny. So Jay and Robin find the way of the people funny. So students, first of all, we all are not same. Birds are different, they have different specialties. We human are different, animals are different. So we all are different. We have all different specialities. Okay students, here we have completed our poem 1, that is bird talk of unit 2. So students, who's the poet of this poem? Aline Fisher. Aline Fisher is the poet of this poem. Here the poet talks about two birds. Poet imagine that if birds could talk, what they will say about human. The poet is saying that birds find funny as the way human grow. जिस तरीके से हम grow होते हैं, birds को funny लगता है. This is only imagination of poet. This is not happen in real. Okay students, here we have completed our poem. Hopefully you understood. Now I want to tell you something more about birds. There are three kinds of birds. One is herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Herbivorous birds are those who eat plants. What they eat? Plants and parts of plants like nut, vegetables, apple, fruits, seeds, roots. Means birds which eat part of plants are herbivorous. For example, parrot is herbivorous, then hummingbird is herbivorous, then goose is herbivorous. Now another is carnivorous. Birds which prey, जो शिकार करते हो. Birds which eat meat of animals are carnivorous, like eagle, vulture. These birds are carnivorous. Now comes to omnivorous. Omnivorous birds are those who eat parts of plants as well as animals' meat. These kinds of birds known as omnivorous, like pigeon, crow. These are omnivorous birds. So hopefully this is information which is very useful to you. Goodbye students and have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Still corona is not gone, so stay home and stay safe.